Ready to unlock the secret to crafting stunning AI human portraits with Midjourney that look unbelievably real or beautifully stylized. First, let's talk prompts. Avoid generic terms like person. Instead, specify age, gender, ethnicity, and even a distinct mood to guide Midjourney towards your vision. For example, instead of just woman, try young woman, 20s, smiling, natural light. Experiment with diverse descriptors to achieve unique results. Notice how Midjourney sometimes struggles with fine details, especially the eyes. Upscaling your image can help, and using refinement prompts like sharp focus, detailed eyes can work wonders. Don't be afraid to specify artistic styles. Add painterly for a classic look, or digital art for a more modern aesthetic. The possibilities are endless. Backgrounds matter. A blurred background keeps the focus on the face, while a contextual background adds depth and narrative. Now go forth, experiment with these techniques, and create AI human portraits that truly capture your imagination. #AI human portraits #Midjourney people.